Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fitting the Lexus CT200 mirror cover back on. Let's start it. Yes, looks like this one is a Lego, but Lego for mans. Okay, so what I want, I would like put back this one first, the correct. You need to have a look, you need to put in that line, and then I hold this black cover with one screw, and yeah, okay. Let's check inside. Yes, that is the correct way. No, not the correct way. You can turning out, and we need to put in now in the correct. Okay. Right. Oh. Okay. Let's check. Is it good? Okay. So let's put back the right bottom screw. What is help you hold on this case. Okay, and then let's close. Okay, and now let's find out. I don't practicing before I made this video, so okay, just hang on. Okay, and now let's see all looking together. Okay, I have no idea how goes this, but we need to put this one where I put. So this one is coming here. Oh yeah. Okay, so this light join in underneath this, and maybe help for hold. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit tricky, but looks like almost good. Okay. Okay. And if you click in, after we put back this left bottom screw to hold it together. This is a nightmare job. Something no good. Let's try to see from this way what's going on. This is so what is this? Looks like I need 1 more millimeter to push in. Well, where I push in there? It's okay. So now let's try. Okay, put there. Okay, this one here. I have no idea in the factory how fitting together with the time scale. Okay, and then joining okay. Now it looks like everything on the correct position. Good. Let's try again. Oh, good. Click on. Now it's correct. Okay, hold together. Yes. Let's put back one screw in the bottom. I'm okay. All right. Luckily, everything together. Okay, and now let's put back the mirror cover. So 3 screws left. What is coming to there? 1, 2, 3. That's it. So we need to first join the bottom. Try to join, because if you click in this clip, you can strip again if the bottom doesn't join well. So okay, now is one line is okay. So if you see it's correctly joined there, after you can click on. Okay, good in the hood. Okay, and then just putting back this 3 screw to hold it. All right, and then this. And the last one. Good. And then just move this cable gently and position this to there. This one need to clip in there, you see, and in the correct position, and just click in. Okay, all right, everything is done, and let's, don't forget, check before give back to the customer, or when you go back to the road, check the indicator and check the floor lights. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.